Allen Iverson is a retired American professional basketball player widely regarded as one of the most influential and electrifying guards in NBA history. Nicknamed The Answer, the 6-foot, 165-pound player overcame a challenging upbringing and off-court controversies to become an 11-time All-Star, the 2001 NBA MVP, and a 2016 Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame inductee. In 1993, at age 17, he was involved in a bowling alley brawl that led to a controversial felony conviction and a prison sentence, later overturned on appeal due to insufficient evidence. The incident drew national attention and highlighted racial tensions as documented in the 2010 film No Crossover, The Trial of Allen Iverson. Iverson started dating his high school sweetheart Tawana Turner when they were 16 and married her in August 2001 at the mansion on Main Street in Voorhees, New Jersey. They have 5 children: Tiara, Allen 2, Isaiah, Messiah, and Jim. On March 2, 2010, Tawana Iverson filed for divorce, seeking custody for their children, child support, and alimony payments. According to Iverson, the couple were back together less than a month after the divorce was finalized in 2013. Iverson's cousin Coran Iverson is also a basketball player. Iverson attended Georgetown University from 1994 to 1996 under coach John Thompson, averaging 23.0 points per game and earning Big East Defensive Player of the Year twice before declaring for the NBA draft. Later in his career, Iverson played for the Denver Nuggets, Detroit Pistons, and the Memphis Grizzlies before ending his NBA career with the 76ers during the 2010-10 season. He was rated the 5th greatest NBA shooting guard of all time by ESPN in 2008. He finished his career in Turkey with Besiktas in 2011. He returned as a player coach for Threes Company in the inaugural season of the Big Three. Following 2 successful years at Georgetown University, Iverson declared eligibility for the 1996 NBA draft and was selected by the Philadelphia 76ers with the first overall pick. He was named the NBA Rookie of the Year in the 1996-97 season. His regular season career scoring average of 26.7 points per game ranks 7th all-time, and his playoff career scoring average of 29.7 points per game trails only Michael Jordan and Luka Doncic. Iverson was also the NBA Most Valuable Player of the 2001 season and led his team to the 2001 NBA Finals the same season. Iverson represented the United States at the 2004 Summer Olympics, winning the bronze medal. Later in his career, Iverson played for the Denver Nuggets, Detroit Pistons, and the Memphis Grizzlies before ending his NBA career with the 76ers during the 2009-10 season. He was rated the 5th greatest NBA shooting guard of all time by ESPN in 2008. He finished his career in Turkey with Besiktas in 2011. He returned as a player coach for Threes Company in the inaugural season of the Big Three. In 2013, Iverson was accused of kidnapping his children and refusing to return them to their mother. He denied the crime and his ex-wife later recanted. In 2002, Iverson was alleged to have thrown his wife Tawana out of their home after a domestic dispute and later threatening to men with a gun while looking for her. All charges against him were later dropped after the judge cited lack of evidence with contradictory statements from witnesses. 129. On February 24, 2004, Iverson urinated in a trash can at Bally's Atlantic City Casino and was told by casino management not to return.